Hey guys, it's Tuesday here on Dear Doing. You know what that means.
Everybody in the club get tipsy.
Hello, my name is Brittany Williams. If you did not know, now you know. Your life is different now. You read the title of this video, so you know what's coming, I think. I think Grace Helbig is hysterical and extremely relatable to my personal life, and Chase and I are big fans of her. So, there's a trend on YouTube right now. Everyone knows this, unless you've been under a rock. You wouldn't even be here if you didn't know it. We're jumping on that bandwagon. We saw it driving by, and we said, Chase did his video, and now it's my turn to do mine, and I thought, who could I do and actually kind of do it? Grace Helbig! So I thought today I would go through some of her videos and do a Grace Helbig makeup tutorial. She has a few. Grace has a video called My Hangover Makeup Routine, and I thought that was fitting because I'm usually hungover. Today I'm actually not, which is shocking. I did spend most of the night up with a bit of food poisoning, so I kind of feel hungover. My body is just empty in all the same places it would be if I was hungover. Also, I naturally look hungover. Red face, puffy eyes, just the look of sadness and emptiness and just dry skin. So I thought that that makeup tutorial would be the most fitting. Let's get to it, shall we? But first, that one was for you, Grace. But first, in true Grace Helbig fashion, I thought I would start this video off, even though I'm not hungover. Let's get hungover. I thought I would bring by a close friend that Grace knows, Absolute Vodka. I thought I would do a shot of this before I start because that's Grace Helbig way. I'm gonna take a shot of vodka, and every time I watch her do this, I cringe because I don't know how one takes shots of vodka. But this is for you, Grace. I wanna be just like you. I'm gonna chase it with kombucha, so that's gonna be something. That's a lot of shot. Cheers, Grace. If you're watching this, do one with me. Oh my God, how do you do that? Let's start. Whew. My Hangover Makeup Routine by Grace Helbig.
You started your Tuesday at 2 p.m.
Been there.
You know when you're drinking because you're stressed and then you get drunk by surprise? Yeah, that happened last night.
Story of my life.
Woke up.
Grace, your hair in this right now. I'm very excited to compare our hangover makeup routines. Grace, we should collab on a video one day, and we should both just be hungover and do our makeup together. Start that YouTube trend.
Shower our hair. This is what we're on.
Ooh, forgot dry shampoo. Already failing. Notice how I'm not hungover, but my hair sure looks like it is. Grease monkey.
This morning I found out that I had a scab on my scalp, and I'm gonna do it. So that should be about constant self-discovery. Okay, now it's...
I don't think I have any scabs on my scalp.
I'm just taking some toner and slapping it on...
Toner. I don't have the same one she's using. I have some rose water. We're gonna toner on the face. It looks like I'm using the viewfinder. I should probably use a mirror, huh? I always forget an effing mirror. Okay. Toner on the face. Let's continue.
Why you gotta be so rude? Don't you know I'm garbage too? I know this is called In Light Super Face Wake Up Eyes Cooling Eye Invigorator. This came free in a swag bag from an event. Do I think
Nice.
that's great? I don't know, but I have it. Okay, that goes under her eyes.
Okay, so she used something under her eyes. I'm gonna use a Too Faced Hangover primer, right? Ooh, yeah, get that. I felt it was fitting. And it says, with coconut water, probiotic-based ingredient, and skin revivers. Why does your face need a probiotic? Is that to just get the shit off of it? Is like, seriously, is that what it's for? Just like this. Do I look like Grace yet? I feel like I'm nailing it. Continue. Sprays. Next she has spray. Let's see.
Summertime facial tonic, and I just spray it on my face and say, erase the mistakes.
I don't think I'm ever gonna be able to spray my face again without saying erase the mistakes. She used a tonic water of some sort. I'm gonna use an Urban Decay All-Nighter, which is actually mixed with some rose water because I was running out and I thought I would make it last longer, and it's fine because this stuff's expensive and I really am not sure what it does, but I really like it. Erase the mistakes!
You don't wash my hands before doing this? Nope. Yay!
Me either. Totally on brand.
I just got you, and you're so scummy already. Very on brand. I've been using this Garnier BB cream.
BB cream. I've Revlon.
She could use a miracle today. That's what she could use. I use this kind of as a base, and then I put regular foundation on top.
That's some thickness. A BB cream and then some foundation. That's a sick thickness. Clearly, I'm good at picking out colors for my face because this one's really light and then my foundation's too dark, so you know, it balances out. So we're gonna put this first mask layer on. Oh, the lighting here is awful.
Capable, we are. Not good at coming up with mantra songs. Our charm is in our sloppy, floppy, human Muppetness.
Right.
I found this Revlon Youth FX Film Blur Foundation. Oh, okay.
Ooh, good stuff.
You picked the right color for me, as per usual.
Oh, look. Oh, that's great. Neither of us pick the right color for our face. We're not so different, you and I. Next foundation, she's using Revlon something something. I'm gonna use L'Oreal, the Infallible Pro Matte 24 Hour because there's just a tiny bit left and I wanna get rid of it so that I can not waste my good foundation.
Just pop it on there. Okay, our poor decision making has been reduced by a fair amount already. Let's get the under eye better. Let's turn these under eye bags into under eye checks.
What? What's a chag? I have a NARS concealer. I'm gonna assume she's doing concealer.
This is NYX Dark Circle Concealer. Bam. And we're just gonna pile it on there. And then I just kind of blend it with the Beauty Blender.
Okay, I highlight my nose. I didn't see her do that. She did her under eyes. So I mean, like, ooh, look at the orange. That was my summer look.
General life question, really. Now let's work on eyebrows. I just got this soap and glow.
Wait a second, Grace. So you go from under eyes to eyebrows? Interesting. No powder. No powder was used. you just leave it on? I don't know, maybe that's a trick I should try, a trick I might like. Let's continue, shall we? Does anyone miss old Grace videos where she just talked like a dumb slut? Sexy Friday. I've never thought of Fridays the same, Grace, just so you know. Let's go. Brows are next.
What I do, put the gel on first, then I put the brow stuff on.
You put the gel on first?
That's excessive and probably completely unnecessary, but it's just what I do. Excessive and unnecessary.
I would have filled my brows in first and then used that gel stuff, but you know what? I'm kind of digging it. I kind of like how my brows look right now, so I think I just learned a beauty tip from Grace Helbig. What? Grace, you are a YouTuber. You just don't even know it. I don't mind those. Those actually look natural compared to my normal brows, which usually look like cartoon characters.
I'm gonna use the same Kylie eyeshadow palette that I used in my sexy fall makeup thing. This one's
I don't have Kylie's palette, but based on the colors that I'm seeing there, I'm just gonna go with Tartiest Pro to go.
So I'm gonna take this one, very descriptive, and put it
And I lied, I'm actually gonna use Huda Beauties to start, and I'm gonna use that one.
And then in the tear duct, so people think, whoa, she's bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, not with your face and wobbly. So we're gonna use it. So we're
Did you see that though? I am still baffled that I have no powder on my face right now because I would have at least 3 layers. Set your face, Grace. Set your face. We'll see. Maybe she's gonna pull it together in the end. All right, next is lick a what with eyeliner. If the water boy had a sister, it would probably be me. Shit.
2 people subscribe to my YouTube channel because it's fun.
Already. I'm gonna try to do this in 1, 2 because I don't have time right now. We are capable. We are something, she said. Grace, why do you have to be so ambitious with your eyeliner? I do enjoy a good winged liner, but like I have not been wearing them lately because I'm lazy. You know you have to make a crazy face when you do eyeliner. I can literally go from like Robert De Niro to The Godfather in like 2 seconds. That's the De Niro face I have. I'm gonna make him an offer he can't refuse. Oh my god, how scary was that? Moving on.
We'll take it. All right. Now we do
same.
eyelashes. Hold on. We're really
Bitch. Oddly enough, I have the identical eyelashes that Grace has. All right, let's find some lash glue because Grace wants to be so extra with some lashes.
Sets of 3, and I'm gonna put on some fake lashes because we're going for it. First, I'm gonna put a quick layer of mascara on.
I'm gonna curl my lashes. I'm not even gonna look and see if she does it because I doubt it at this point in her makeup routine, but I need to curl mine. We are capable. We are capable. Something. We really need to finish that song, Grace. Let's make these eyes alive. See, alive, dead, alive, dead.
I'm pretty bad at doing this, so this is likely just another bad decision, but
well, I did one.
Wish her luck. Oh no. Oh, good.
Okay, she also doesn't use the tweezers like everyone else uses. She uses her hands like I do. Okay. Oh my god, there's so much glue on that. Okay, let's get out of here. Okay, we got some glue off. Let's try. I got one on. Let's try two. Can we be 2 for 2? Are we that capable even though we took a shot of vodka?
Then why?
Stressful.
Are you doing this? Try the other side. No one's stressed out. Everyone's having fun.
You're stressing me out. Bronzer time. Okay, bronzer. Cool. All right, Grace. Are you gonna powder and blush me and highlight me? I really want to see.
We've been kissed with consent by the sun. Blush. Let's put blush on. I'm using
Blush.
Doo-doo from NARS. It's also my last favorites video, and it makes me
Shit.
look giant when I hold it. Oh, so coy. Then let's put some setting powder on. I have this NYX HD finishing powder.
Well, my camera just shut off.
Keeping hazelnut more like.
Okay, she did some sort of lipstick talking about hazelnut. It looks nude and glossy. This is Maybelline New York. Like, this is a liquid lip, and I'm gonna put gloss over it. Oh my god, I just got it on my freaking rug! My neighbors are probably like, that girl lives alone. Why is she talking to herself? Oh my god. The drip. The drippage.
There we go. We're done. This is my everyday. Let's hide the mistakes away. Hangover makeup look. Who's this girl? Not full of regret. That's what. You got pranked. I would trust this person.
We're not done with our lips. It takes me a minute to draw these puffies on. Grayson, out of here. Always trying to steal my shine. Those are lips, right? I guess Grace doesn't use highlighter and doesn't contour her perfect nose. Well, fine. Some of us need to contour our big noses for our tiny face. Why does it still look like I have powder under my eyes? I'm gonna change. I'm gonna be right back with the final Grace Helbig look. Just give me a second. Well, there you guys go. This is my final look of following a Grace Helbig hangover routine makeup tutorial. What do you think? Am I doing it? Am I doing the Grace? Do we look the same? I think so. I think that I nailed it, right? Right? We kind of have the same unkempt hair and color, this honey blonde. Yeah, so I hope that you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell so that you get notified when we post videos. And if you don't know Grace Helbig and you don't follow her, you need to go subscribe and follow her Instagram because she is hilarious and beautiful and talented and love her. I'm pretty sure you freaking know who she is. Hey Grace, if you happen to see this video and you made it this far, imitation is the sincerest form of flattery, right? I hope so. So thank you guys so much for watching. We love you so much. Thank you, Grace, for gracing us with your beauty online. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Goodbye. What does Grace say? I don't know.